In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track events using Google Analytics. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your event data and how to read it so you can understand what people are doing on your site. We'll walk through a simple path inside Google Analytics that works great with a demo property or any GA4 setup that already has events configured. Start on the Analytics homepage. This is your launchpad for everything. From the left-hand navigation, open the Reports area. Reports is where Google Analytics organizes the ready-made views of your data, so you don't have to build anything from scratch. Inside Reports, head to the Engagement section. Engagement is all about what users actually do after they arrive, how long they stay, what screens or pages they view, and, most importantly for us, which events they trigger. Now open Events. This is the core view for tracking user actions. You'll see a table listing event names, things like page view, view item, or add to cart, along with totals that show how often each action occurred. Think of this as your running scoreboard for interactions on the site. If you're using a demo property where you can't add new tags, this report is perfect because it surfaces all the pre-configured events for you to analyze right away. Take a moment to tailor what you're seeing. Adjust the date range at the top to focus on a relevant period, such as the last 7 or 28 days. Sort by event count to find the most frequent actions, or by users to see which events touch the most people. Use the search box to quickly locate a specific event if the list is long. When you click into an individual event, you'll get deeper insight, including trends over time and related dimensions such as pages or screens associated with that action. This helps you connect the dots between what happened and where it happened. If you want a live pulse check, the Realtime report inside Reports shows events as they occur in the last 30 minutes. It's handy for quick validation after a change or a campaign launch. And when you're ready to investigate user journeys more deeply, the Explore Workspace lets you build custom analyses, like funnels to see drop-off between steps, or path explorations to visualize how users move from one event to the next. That's it. By navigating from home to Reports, into Engagement, and then Events, you can confidently track and interpret the actions users take, turning raw event data into clear, actionable insights.